Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to show you how to make an Asian-inspired American stir-fry. Let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to turn on the heat. We're going to toss in our lard. Let that melt down a little bit. Alright, now that that's melted down, we're going to toss in our pork. We're going to get that browned up on all sides. Alright, now that that's browned up, we're going to add half cup pineapple juice and half cup water. Salt and pepper to flavor. And some soy sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Alright, now we're going to let that simmer for 30 minutes. Alright, now that's been simmering for 30 minutes, we're going to remove that lid. And we're going to add our 2 cups of shredded Chinese cabbage, 1.5 cups of Chinese peas, and some carrots. Also, we're going to add 8 ounces of sliced chestnuts. And we're going to mix that into there. Alright, then we're going to cover that up. We're going to let that simmer for 10 minutes. Alright, now that's been going for 10 minutes. We're going to remove that lid. Give it a little bit of a stir. Next, we're going to take 1.5 tablespoons cornstarch and 1 tablespoon water. We're going to mix that together, make a little bit of a paste. And we're going to slowly add that to the meat mixture. Now we're going to just stir it up and heat it until it thickens. Alright, now that's all thickened up. We're ready to turn off the heat and serve. Alright, now that's all cooked up. We're going to just serve that alongside some rice. There you go. And there we have our stir fry. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.